Hi folks, it's Flutterwiz. Today we are gonna see how can we create a group and private chat via GetStream. Let's start. As you might remember, we created a new user which named Elephant. So we are gonna create some new chat with the existing user in the database. We can create a private chat here. We can click to select and click the same one to unselect like this, or maybe just change it. Okay, I'm gonna create with Flutterwiz. We just need to click the start chat button to create one-to-one, the private chat. Okay, just let me click. Okay, as you can see, we have created and it says start a new conversation here because we have no message right now. Okay, let me just enter and send a message like, hello, my name is Elephant. Okay, whatever it is, I can see it's so small. Okay, and when I go back, you can see it says you, hello, my name is Elephant, etc. Right now we can see our message, the latest message. If the Flutterwiz will send the message here, the message will be appear. So we can also create a group chat here. We can select bunch of users, for example, Flutterwiz, Luke, Nash. And for now, let me say Çağatay, okay? And I'm gonna create like İzmir meeting. Okay, Izmir is a city, by the way, if you don't know. So let's create a group chat. Yeah, as you can see, we have created, and the profile image coming from the random URL, so that we can create a group with a selected image. Of course, we don't select actually, but we can select. As you might remember, in the onboarding process, we use constant image. Again, here we use constant image. This can be a feature, selecting image from gallery, so it can be improvable thing. This is good. Okay, let me just enter the group and send some message like, hello guys. Okay, we can just give a reaction like this and maybe just give another load. So yeah, it works like that. We can search someone, just a static one, by the way, like is like this, maybe just full Flutterwiz. Okay, it works like this. So let me just paint it. Think like we have a one big button, okay, plus button, and we have two different small buttons. Let me draw like this. Okay, the red button shows there is a private chat, just a one user, and the blue one shows we have more than one user actually. Okay, yeah, my painting is good. So when we click the private one, we say to get stream services. Hey yo, get stream. I want to create a channel with just a one user, including me, so that in total we have two different users, and with two different users we want to create a channel. Actually, each group a channel. Okay, we use the same method, same strategy. We just create a channel, but the different area is the number of the users. So actually we use create channel method. Okay, think like that. We are using that method in the create one-to-one chat button, but at the same time we also use this method in create group chat, because we just say, okay, create again channel, but right now we have no just two users, but instead we have more. So this is the difference between create group chat and create private, or maybe one-to-one chat. This is the difference. Okay, you can understand like that. For the coding side, you can see we have chat session and chat management qubit. Chat session is for managing the chat user and get stream service together, so that we can connect the chat user to get stream service. So actually I've already written here. As you can see, this class manages the chat session state, including user data and connection status. So it's related with getStream. Also, we have chat management qubit, which is related with the other parts. So for example, previously I created a group and private chat. So when I create these channels or maybe chats, we actually use chat management qubit to create. But for the user related thing, we use chat session qubit. You can think that we have out session and profile management, right? Out session is like chat session qubit, and profile management is like chat management. In one part we manage some things, for example, creation of the chat, maybe users, etc. And the other part just control and listen to change of the state. The chat state, maybe authentication state, etc. It works like that. And the class names are same almost. And also one thing you should know is, let's go to dependency injection as I remember correctly. Yeah, here we have stream chat API key, and the old version I used like this. Okay, Cursor has suggested me some things, and for example this is a API key. Okay, and you should put this together here as singleton. Why? Because we have one service and we have one account and we want to just create a chat application with that API key. You should just create a singleton. So for other things, for example, app router, maybe connectivity, these are the things that should be created by singleton, because we need to just create as one. So for the API secret, we need to generate a token. It's coming from the get stream itself, by the way. In the past, I was using just a generator from the stream's website and just create my token and login and use, etc. You can find this information, by the way, in the my old documentation. There is a branch about it, 2022. So, but anyway, right now we are creating this just generating token in the application itself, and we just don't use the website anymore. I already do this for you. Anyway, okay, I think we cover all the things. So I explained all the features that we have. You are using Paint and just explaining the code. But of course, I didn't explain all the codes in here, all the lines, line by line, because I put some comment lines above of the methods and variables. And also there are some, just widgets and the other things, the basic ones. So it's not related with us. And also in the AI era, it's so easy to create some cool widgets. So anyway, I didn't mention about the widgets or animations sometimes, but we are good to go. We just focused on the app logic and app features. That's all. Before ending the video, I want a huge thank you to GetStream to sponsor me once again. Thank you, GetStream. And right now we have 150 stars on GitHub, so don't forget to give a star and support me, please. So yeah, that's all from me. That's all from Flutterface. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you want. If you have any questions, you can ask anytime you want. If you have any problem, you can open an issue or just ask to me. You can find me on social media, X, Medium, etc. Thanks again, take care, and see you in the next videos. Flutterface.